Okay, Guitar Bobby here again with this C major blues scale. Barring at the 7th fret here. To play the 3rd, 4th, and 5th strings. C, D, E, G, A, C, D, E flat, E, and then I'm going to slide up and bar on that 8th fret. G, A, C, D, E flat, E flat up to E. There at the 12th fret. Now I just slid back down to that 7th fret. Slid up, back up to the 8th. I can bend that E flat up to the E, which that's the blue note. There's that E flat again on the 6th fret, 5th string. Eight, 10, 7, 10, 7, 10, 7, 8, 9, 8, 10, 8, 10, 11, 12. And again, this C major. There I'm barring that C chord at the 5th fret, playing that C at my pinky, and I'm going to play the switch right to the F chord. G chord. Again, just a real quick summary, recap of the C major blues scale. A lot of fun things you can do with it, and practice. Peace. Happy New Year.